We are live here at Okpanam. We just started the work today. As always, Eze and Sons Electrical. This is a 4-bedroom duplex, and this is the deck. We started the piping today. Yes, this is a 4-bedroom duplex. We started the piping today, and we'll finish it up before the end of before Sunday. We'll be finished. We'll round up. Eze and Sons Electrical. Like always, we'll give you the best, the standard and modern way of wiring. You have no worries. Both will differentiate both the lightings and the sockets. Even your inverter will run everything now.